There's always new and exciting things on GitHub, so let's talk about what is trending this week. Roop is an easy-to-use face swap. It works for video and photos, and you only need one image of the desired face, and it will completely swap out the video you provide with the face from the image. This first got released back in July of 2023, and the author mentioned that it's now discontinued, but it still works, and it's available for download. The Sherlock project is a little creepy in my opinion. It's designed to hunt down social media accounts by username across social networks. So essentially you put in a username and it gives you links to all of their profiles across 400 plus social media sites, which is cool that it works, but to me it feels like this should be limited to forensics teams, not the general public that can use it for nefarious reasons. The last thing I'm going to talk about is Whisper, which is actually a release from OpenAI. Whisper is a general purpose speech recognition model. Their words, not mine. And it can basically do all the things you wish a speech recognition software could. It can recognize a variety of different languages, translate speech, and identify the language that is spoken. OpenAI has 172 repositories on GitHub, so if you'd like me to talk about some of those in a video, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for staying all the way till the end. If you want to watch more, click this video on the screen. It's the one that YouTube suggests you'll like the most.